Hey guys, today we have got something pretty interesting in our studio, a special box from Samsung that has their latest Galaxy F70 Pro 5G, which they are calling a complete creator's phone for anyone who shoots a lot of photos and videos on the go. In today's video, we're gonna test it out and see if it actually delivers on that promise. But before we dive deep, let me quickly do the unboxing. Inside, we get the usual documentation, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and the phone itself, which is in aura green color, and it is absolutely stunning to look at. I mean, this color catches light in a really subtle, elegant way without being over flashy. And the best part, it doesn't attract any fingerprint. You also get matte texture frames that gives you a much better grip, and it's surprisingly lightweight and slim, making the phone feel super comfortable to hold. What I also liked is that although it's a mid-range phone, Samsung didn't compromise on the cameras here. In fact, they are giving a triple camera setup which no one else offering in this entire segment. Plus you get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection for 4 times better scratch resistant, along with water and dust resistance for everyday peace of mind. Now the main reason Samsung is calling this a creator's phone comes down to the cameras. I mean, this is where things get really interesting. We get segments only triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixel main with physical OIS support. So if you tend to have shaky hands when clicking quick pictures, this OIS makes a massive difference as it keeps your photos sharp and blur free all the time. And even when you record videos while walking around, it lets you shoot super smooth and stable videos without any camera shakes. You also get an ultra wide and a dedicated macro lens, which comes in really handy when you want to take close-up shots. Now coming to the front, here you get a 12 megapixel HDR selfie camera which you won't see in this price segment, and this is huge if you're someone who takes a lot of selfies and record videos using the front camera. Because even if you're standing in front of harsh sunlight or bright sky, HDR balances out the exposure so your face stays sharp and clear without any background getting blown out. On top of that, it lets you record videos in 4K resolution using rear cameras, so all your clips stay super crisp and ultra sharp. Now for low light situations, Samsung has built-in nightography feature which automatically reduces noise and detects dark surrounding to capture clear and bright night shots, which is again something that is really good. Now once you have taken your shots, the gallery app on this phone comes packed with some amazing AI features. For example, let's say you want to remove any unwanted objects from your pictures, you can simply use the object eraser tool which works like magic. Then we also have something called remaster that helps further enhance your photos. Then you can also make use of these custom filters which lets you tweak your pictures directly without installing any third-party apps on your phone. Now on the front, we are getting a massive 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. While a lot of other brands in this price range have already started switching back to LCD screens, I'm really glad that Samsung still gives us a proper AMOLED panel that has beautiful colors, deep contrast, and this is exactly what we expect from Samsung's display. Not just that, they've also trimmed down the bezels, which does make the phone look cleaner from the front and gives you an immersive experience when watching content, playing games, or just scrolling through your social feeds. Plus it also features vision booster and adaptive brightness, so the screen intelligently detects harsh sunlight and boosts screen visibility when you're using it outside. Overall, I think they have done a fantastic job in terms of display, and I don't think you will have any issues here because it's a Samsung display. Talking about the performance, because if you're editing videos, multitasking or gaming, you need a device that can actually handle everything you throw at it without slowing down, and that's where the Galaxy F70 Pro shines. Under the hood, it is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor built on a 4nm chip, and what makes it so fast and responsive is that it is paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. That basically means apps open instantly, switching between heavy tasks is seamless, and even while playing games, you're not going to notice any lag or stutter. Honestly, getting LPDDR5X RAM and 3.1 storage at this price point is something you rarely see. I mean, most brands cut cost here with older memory standards, but Samsung giving you the fastest RAM and storage is a huge win. All of that is backed by a huge 6000 mAh battery, And thanks to the optimization of power efficient 4nm processor and the goodness of One UI 8.5, this phone can easily last you for a day, no matter whether you are out shooting videos or streaming content all day. Now what's more interesting is a feature called bypass charging. So if you like to game while charging, it powers the chip directly without heating up the battery, keeping your phone cool and your FPS stays perfectly stable. Moving on to the software, this is another area where Samsung really shines. The Galaxy F70 Pro runs on One UI 8.5 right out of the box, and it feels super polished, fluid and feature packed. I mean, no other UI in this price segment can offer such amazing software experience. The animations are smooth, customization options are endless, and the whole interface just makes the phone feel way more premium to use every single day. You also get some really useful AI features built right in. For example, you have circle to search, so whenever you are looking at an image, text or anything, you can just long press the home bar, circle whatever on your screen and gets instant search results. On top of that, Google Gemini comes integrated as your default AI assistant, giving you a full agentic Gemini experience. You can just press the power button to quickly ask questions and get deep contextual help from Gemini on the go. Samsung also added a couple of handy convenience features like on-device voicemail with voice transcription, which can also transcribe your calls into text, and Samsung Wallet for quick tap and pay transactions. For security, you get hardware level protection with Knox Vault along with Auto Blocker to protect your phone from malware or unauthorized app installs, and you also get a private album inside the gallery to keep your sensitive photos safe and secure. Now to make sure this phone stays fresh for years, Samsung is promising 6 years of OS upgrades and 6 years of security patches, which again an amazing thing considering the fact that it's a mid-range phone. So is the Galaxy F70 Pro 5G worth it? In short, I would say yes. I mean, you get excellent cameras with OIS support, a smooth 120Hz display that is absolutely stunning to look at, the segment's best LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, with a massive battery that can easily last you all day. I think it's a well-rounded, reliable phone backed by really good software with long-term support. Overall, if you're looking for a solid phone in this price segment that can handle everything without breaking a sweat, this is an easy recommendation. Now coming to the price, the Galaxy F70 Pro 5G comes at a special limited time launch price of 23,999, and it officially goes on sale starting 8th August on Flipkart during the Independence Day sale. So if you are planning to buy this phone, this launch offer is definitely the best time to pick it up as prices may go up later. Now what do you guys think about the Galaxy F70 Pro 5G? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.